to the Paradise Slime. So today I'm doing slime popping. So let's get on with the video. Okay. So first we're gonna pop the glue. Oh gosh.
Is that supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Okay. Next, let's do shaving foam. This is what I'm most scared for. I feel like it's gonna go everywhere.
Oh! What do you think was gonna happen? Danica Ann.
Why did it go everywhere? Okay, tip, do not, next time I do this, I'm doing this outside, people.
You think?
Next is glossy soap. This shouldn't go everywhere, I'm hoping. It stayed in the balloon. Okay, now it's coming out. Why are you blowing up my balloon? Okay, this is taking a while. Okay, we have the soap. Next is these gold beads, and I can barely hold these balloons now because it's so slippy.
What the?
Okay, I'll get those in a minute. Next is borax. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. Oh, can you give me a spoon? Do the white one that's like, here, I'll grab. Yeah, thank you. Just hand. Okay. So let's mix this. Drew, no! Okay, I'm gonna use some more.
Oh, dude, I didn't touch it. It's in me.
There's shaving cream everywhere.
Yeah, look.
You're dumb.
Okay, that was my video on slime popping. This was a fail. Goodbye.